for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to show you how to do that factory reset on your iPhone. The first thing you're going to do is go to your settings app, tap on your Apple ID profile right at the top here, and you're going to go to Find My. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn off Find My iPhone. So just tap here, turn that off. You will need to enter your Apple ID. Once Find My iPhone is turned off, you're going to go back. And then we're going to hit sign out. This will sign you out of your Apple ID and your iCloud. Hit sign out. Are you sure? Yes. Sign out. At this point, you're fully signed out of all of your accounts. Now, we're going to go to General, go down the bottom and go to Reset, and tap on the second option that says Erase All Content and Settings. Tap Erase iPhone, and then Erase iPhone, and that's it. At this point, your phone will begin to reset itself back to factory settings. So just let it sit. It should take anywhere from 30 seconds to about 5 minutes to erase all of your information off of the phone and then set it up like brand new. And you'll know the factory reset is complete because this is the last screen you will see. It will show you all of the different languages and basically showing you it's time to set up the phone again. So hope you guys did find this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Leave us a comment down below as well if it was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos and take care. Have a good one.